I would like to tell you about an enjoyable meal I had just last week. Actually, it was a pizza, but not just any ordinary pizza. There's a restaurant in my town renowned for its mouth-watering pizza, but I hadn't had the opportunity to visit the place till recently. The occasion was my friend's name day, and we finally decided to go to the Pizza Garden. That's the name of the restaurant. It was me, my friend obviously, and a few other close friends and people from work. We ordered a few large pizzas, each with different toppings. My favorite was the one with tuna and onions. What made the meal so enjoyable was not only the scrumptious pizza, it was also the occasion. It was an opportunity to catch up with some friends who I hadn't seen in a while. On top of that, I must add that the atmosphere of the place was really cozy. The restaurant had this little patio garden with lots of plants, and the weather was perfect for the occasion. We could sit around outside under the warm sun and just relax and enjoy ourselves. And the food, of course.